Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Eve 24/7 Ergonomic Fabric Task Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism attached, backrest, a pair of arms marked L and R, 5-star base, gas strut cover, 5 casters, 3 25mm short bolts, 3 flat washers, 3 spring washers, 6 25mm bolts and 2 Allen keys. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut, like this. Next, using the 6 25mm bolts, attach the arms to the seat pad. Each arm is marked underneath with L or R to indicate if it's left or right-handed. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Attach the backrest between the seat pad and the mechanism like this, and secure using the 3 25mm bolts, the 3 spring washers and 3 flat washers. Insert the bolts through the mechanism into the back of the seat pad. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Finally, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep the Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new Eve 24/7 Ergonomic Fabric Task Chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.